Alright guys, here we are. We are ready for our Module 2 mid-module review. That's right, we are already at the point of the mid-module review. So what you need today is either paper and pencil or dry erase board and marker. You also need your practice book because we're going to start off with a sprint. Let's go ahead and get your book ready. And our sprint is on page number 75 in our practice book. And it says, write the missing number. You're going to write the missing number. All right, let's go ahead and put 1 minute on the clock. Okay, on your mark, get set, go. Oh my gosh, time's up, time's up, time's up. All right, so go ahead and stop. We're gonna go ahead and we're going to check our work. And remember, we're doing this here to do our best. We're getting practice in. It's really good for us. So let's go check our work. Come on. Yes, let's go ahead and check our sprint. We are again writing the missing number. So number 1 is 10, 12, 12. 10, 11, 11. 10, 13, 13. 10, 15, 15. 10, 14, 14. 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 18. Let's see. Now notice here again in this last part, the last section, the missing part is changing places. 9 plus blank is equal to 17 is, well, I want to count on for this one. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay, here we have here 9, 10, 6, 10, 5, 5, 10. All right, guys, check my work. Put the number you got correct at the top, and let's go on and continue with our lesson. Come on. All right, yes, so we're going to continue. We're going to review some of the different problem types we've been doing the last couple of weeks. Just make sure they're nice and fresh in our brain, which means you don't have an application problem. You don't need your other workbooks. You need your paper and pencil or your board and marker. So we're going to solve some problems. The first couple we see have 3 parts. Boop, boop, boop. And the directions say circle the numbers that make 10. Put them into a number bond and solve. So when I make this bond, is that going to be the whole? No, it's going to be the group of 10. And we know we have some more, some ones. So looking at 4 plus 6 plus 5, which 2 parts can go together to make 10? 4 and 6. Good job. 4 and 6. 10. What's 10 and 5? 15. Good job. So 4 plus 6 plus 5 is 15. Excellent. All right, let's read this one. 8 plus 2 plus 4. Which 2 parts should I put together to make a group of 10? 8 and 2. Yes. So you're telling me that 8 and 2 is 10. What is 10 and 4 ones? 10 and 4 more is 10 4, which is 14. Good job. All right, so yes, 14. So that was the first kind that we did. Let's keep going, look at a different problem type we've explored. Apply these skills of remember, you can put the parts wherever you need to, as long as you add all the pieces together. As long as you add all the pieces together. All right. There are 4 marbles on the left side of the table and 9 on the right side. How many total marbles are on the table? Okay, we know that we're given 9s and 4. Well, wait a minute, that's 4 and 9. Yes, but we know we can flip-flop those parts as long as we put all the pieces together. And our directions say that we want 10 and. So if we already have 9, how many more do I need to make 10? 1 more. Excellent. Let's draw a circle that includes these 9 and 1 more so we can count for a group of 10. So that's 9, 10. So this is now a group of 10. So 9 and 1 is 10. Good. How many are outside of the circle? 3 marbles. So if 9 and 4 make, and we move the marble over for counting, we know that 10 and 3, did I draw more marbles? Did I get more marbles? No. So they should be exactly the same. They should be equal to one another. So what is 10 and 3? So 10, 11, 12, 13. So 10 and 3 make 13. What else do we know is true? That 9 and 4 make 13. Good job. So have I answered the question I was asked with this word problem? The question says, how many total marbles are on the table? How many total marbles are on the table? There are 13 marbles in all. There are 13 marbles in all. Great job. Let's keep going, reviewing the different problem types. So the first problem type, we had 3 parts, and then we grouped them. With this problem type, we have 2 parts, and we're moving pieces around. Like I said, when you're adding, as long as you put all the pieces together, then you'll find your whole. All right, so this says, make math drawings, use the 10 frame to solve. Rewrite as a 10 plus number sentence. Okay, what we're given here is 6 plus 8. It's also given to us that we want to break apart 6 into new pieces, because 8 is almost 10. So if I already have, show me 8, how many more do I need to make 10? Fingers down. 2, I need 2 more. And I'm going to get those from the group of 6. I'm going to get those 2 from the group of 6. Now, show me that group of 6. Now, we've had the group of 6, and we moved 2 of them over. How many are left? 4. Excellent. So instead of having 6 and 8, I have 4 plus 2 plus 8. And again, I'm going to put the 2 pieces together, the 2 parts together that make 10. So now we say we have 10, and how many are not in our circle? 4, which means that this is 10 plus, you guys going to let me do that 4 like that? 10 plus 4. Let's draw a picture to match the work we did so we can see that we're doing the right thing. Okay, it is written as 6 plus 8, but which part did we do things to first? Which part did we address first? Which part was almost 10? 8. Good. Let's go ahead and draw the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8. Excellent. Now we're going to draw the next part, which is the 6. But I'm going to draw them so that I finish my group of 10 first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that correct? No, it's not. Because even though I wrote small enough that these X's can technically be drawn here, this is a 10 frame. And a 10 frame only holds how many? 10. So we need to put those other 4 out of the box. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that we can visually see this group of 10 and 4, 1. So 10 is my picture here. 8 and 2, 8 and 2. Check. 4 out of the box. 4 out of the box. Check. So my picture confirms what I did with my number bond, which means that 10 plus 4, 10 and 4 more is 14. Then we also know that 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. Okay, this time I want to do the level 2 and draw the picture first. We're going to draw the picture first. Looking at our parts, which one are we going to draw first? 8 or 4? 8. Let's draw 8, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I drew them a little bit bigger on purpose. I did that on purpose so you can see that technically in my drawing space, yeah, maybe they fit, but do they really fit in a 10 frame? Not at all. All right, so yeah, we have the 8, and let's go ahead and draw our 4. Now remember, when we draw our pictures, we like to make full groups of 10. Okay, so we're going to finish this 10 frame. We're going to fill it out. So 1, 2, 3, 4. My picture now represents my number systems of 8 plus 4. So 8 circles and 4 X's. My picture shows 8 plus 4. But the way I drew it was I moved some of these pieces over here so that I can count it and see it in my brain either. Because I know that 10 and 2, 10 and 2, 10 and 2 more, 10, 2 is 12. So by knowing that 10 plus 2 is equal to 12, we can then figure out that 8 plus 4 also equals 12. Let's do that level 3. Let's write the numbers to match what happens in our picture. All right, what we have is 8 plus 4. What we see here is that we broke the 4 into 2 smaller pieces. What are those smaller pieces? 2 and 2. Because 8 and 2, we said, made a group of 10. And there are 2 more over here. Good. So my numbers and my pictures match because this is my level 2 and this is my level 3. So yes, you see how the 2 and the 2, the 2 and the 2, check. The 8 and the 2, the 8 and the 2, check. It all checks out because we did it the right way. All right, let's do a couple more. Okay. Oh, the next one reads, there are 5 girls and 7 boys on the playground. How many students are on the playground? Okay, let's draw to represent the number of children on the playground. So let's draw for our, should we draw the girls first or the boys first? Let's draw the boys first because that is a group of 7. So the boys can be circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boys. 7 boys. And how many girls? 5 girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 girls. Okay, so number sentence world, that is 7 plus 5 is equal to blank. Blank, blank, blank. Okay, so let's try. We can either break apart the 7 or break apart the 5. Look at the picture. Look at that picture there. Which one should we break apart? Matter of fact, nope, I'm going to pick. We're actually going to break apart the 7 this time, even though it is the one that's closer to 10, because we're going to use our doubles rule. Because we know that for a double, 5 must need 5 more because the parts will be the same. If I took 5 out of the group of 7, how many are left? Let's make my picture match that. I took 5 out of the group of 7 and put it with the 5. How many are left? 2. Good job. So that means I have 10, 2. What's 10, 2? 12. Good. Have I finished answering the question then? No, we haven't answered the actual question. The question says, how many students are on the playground? It actually sounds like there's about 12 of them right now. So 12 students. All right, that is our minimum, our number in our word. 12 students are on the playground. 12 students are on the playground. Gives us our complete sentence answer. But if we don't have all the red, then we don't have the right answer. Then we haven't done the whole problem. Okay. All right, what else we got? Let's see what else I got for you today. That's it! We're done! We've reviewed! We officially have reviewed the first part of Module 1. Remembering that Module 2, just keeping in mind that when you have a word problem, you need a word answer. And also, we're not adding more pieces. We're not taking pieces away. We're moving the pieces around so that they make for easier counting, and that we're using our 10 rule. We're using groups of 10. Because 10 and 2 is much easier than 7 and 5. 8 and 4, good job, or 9 and 3. All right, guys, but yes, no, seriously, though, if you have any questions, let me know. And until then, I'll see you later. Bye.